Hi friends, we are working on the React State Management library of Just. Last few classes onwards, we are working on the two. We are working on the few applications called. One is the counter application, another one is the product application. We have completed those two applications, and we are going to see the one more application called course application. In the counter application product application, in the counter application we have created the count object, and in that object we have created the few actions like add item and remove the item. Like add item means increment the count value and decrement the count value. And in the product also we have did storing the product information and updating the product information and deleting the product information. We have did in these tasks in this both applications. Now we are going to create the uh, one more application using the Just library. It is called the course application. Like here when we are entering the, it is a structure. First we are did the first created the one structure for the course, a list of the course. uh, like UI should be look like this. In this, if you enter the, we have created the two parts here. One is the form course form part, and one is the list of the courses. In this course form part, if you enter the any course like a Python course or uh, Golang course, or you can enter. If you want to add into that, you can click on this button of add button. It will go to the list of the courses. If you complete that course, if you complete this course like Hibernate you have completed or Java you have completed, you are going to click on this button like a checkbox. Suppose you have completed that course and you have clicked this button, it will show like a blue color, and it will the box also get changed to pink color. Like this we are going to do. And one more feature is like if you want to delete that course, like in the list of the courses, you can delete. If you click this trash box button, you can delete it will go to delete it in the store and UI part also. Like this we are going to do the in our application. First I'm going to open my VS Code terminal, VS Code editor. In this I'm going to create, in the app section I'm going to create one more for file called course store.js file, JavaScript file. First I'm going to import my create function from the Just library. Just first create the course store. I'm going to name it as a course store, and create the one function with the parameter of set function. This using this set function only we are going to update our course list of courses. Like it is getting the one property called courses, and actions or behaviors called add course. Add course, it is also one function. Add course also one function. In this we are passing the course. This course we are going to add into the courses. This courses property using the set function. This set function. We are taking this first function takes the callback function of parameter of previous state. We are going to use here in the courses while updating. First we are going to take the our new course or our course comma dot previous courses. We are updating like this. This is the add course, and same like remove course also. Remove course column. Here we are taking the course id equal to, sorry, arrow function of, here we are going to use the same set function with the previous state. Here courses we are taking again dot, sorry, column state dot courses dot filter. We are using the filter function to filter the each and every course course dot id not equal to, we are doing the inverse of that, equal, not equal to that new course ID. This course ID I'm comparing. If it is not equal to, we are allowing to in this courses, in this list of the courses. Same like we are going to toggling feature also. Toggling features means completed feature. If you see here, if you click on this button, if you click on this checkbox, it will getting changing the color. If you want to do that, we are using the toggling feature. Toggle course status column course ID, same course ID I'm taking here also. But instead of this filter, we are using the map function. Here we are going to not filter. Here we are going to update the uh, whether it is completed or not. We are going to update. If you not completed, we are going to, actually we are going to do the here. Actually, few things is there. ID one is course or something like a Java, and another one is completed. Actually, first at the initial state, it is a false. After, if you want to click on this toggling course status, it will change to true. We are going to achieve this thing using this map function. Set state, taking the previous stage courses, column state dot courses dot map of, we are taking the each and every course of course dot id equal to, if that course dot id equal to course id, we are going to update that dot course comma completed equal to not of, we are going to do the toggle course dot completed column, otherwise it will going to return the in actual course. If that it is not equal to that course id, we are returning the our course, not required to update. We are going to export that course store. Export use course store. Here we are going to create the use course store using create function from the Justin library course store. If you see here in the documentation of the Justin, we have in this we have written the import the create function. We have directly used the directly passed the function here, but we have created the one store, and after creating of the store, we have used the we have passed the function into the create function of Justin. We have did two things. Yeah, like we have separated the code part, and then we are going to bind our component, this component, into the UI part. For that, in the component, we are going to create two files here. One is the course form.jsx, and one more file called course items.jsx. If you see here, RFCE course form, this is a RFCE course items, like list of the courses. If you want to import that, here go to the app.jsx file and make it comment product form and product list, and I'm going to import the course form and course items. If you go to the, if you want to run this application, go to here in the, go to the our project folder, npm run dev. See, application is ready. Go to here. Localhost column 5173 is the port number. See, course form and course items. We are going to see this UI part in the next class. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.